gonna show you how to make. I'm gonna see if Arthur's slime activator works. How do show us how to make? So yeah, so I'm gonna take Fevicum and pour it. And I had not that much Fevicum. Yeah, and I'm going to put color, but I don't want to first. Then you got to put this or your slime activator that he tells us how to make. And I don't want to show you how to make it. The slime activator, you can go to digital and search it. Now the time to put. So guys, I was mixing and mixing it. Then what is now? It is like all liquidy. Then we put the borax acid on it. Then put beaker. Then activator. Then mix it. Then again you got to do this process 3 times. But on the last time you got to put the borax powder, this, and then you go and put this, and then you got to like get your hand in and do it, like mix it around, and then I'll make it. And but I'm gonna give you one more. Before you put the borax acid on your hand, so it will start sticking on your hand. But I think it went like a dough, as you can see. It's like a dough, but it smells like glue. So I recommend it to keep in a storage box with the borax acid. I still not stored yet. I think they will figure it out. And take out all the excess borax. So yeah. So see you in the next video. How do you